Hello, Nadia here at Bergey Chevrolet in Colmar, Pennsylvania, and today I'm showing you one of the most fully equipped full-size SUVs you'll find on the market, the 2025 Chevy Suburban Premier in four-wheel drive. If you're looking for bold styling, big V8 power, third row comfort, and serious cargo space, all in a vehicle built right here in the US in Arlington, Texas, this Premier Suburban checks all the boxes. Up front, the Premier trim shows off with its chrome accented grille and signature LED lighting. You've got animated headlamps and LED fog lamps for a high-end look and also high visibility. Now this one's finished in Iridescent Pearl Tricoat, which is a premium color, and it sits on upgraded 22-inch Manugian silver painted aluminum wheels. Now this is a clean, elegant combo that stands out without being too flashy. It's got power folding mirrors with turn signals and chrome finish. This is definitely an upscale exterior. Let's take a look under the hood. This Suburban Premier is powered by the 6.2 liter EcoTech 3 V8 engine, a reliable, low maintenance engine in the Chevy line that has withstood the test of time and has an almost cult-like appreciation for good reason. It produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-foot of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, giving you effortless passing power and smooth shifting, whether you're cruising or hauling. You also get magnetic ride control and a mechanically limited slip differential. You'll notice better ride quality and control over bumps and uneven roads with this engine. Now let's take a look at the interior and see what the Premier offers in its cabin. Inside, this Suburban gives you a jet black and sky cool gray interior with perforated leather seating. Both front seats are heated and ventilated and feature full power adjustment with memory settings for the driver. In the second row, you've got heated bucket seats that power release for easy access to the third row, great for families or road trips. And up top, you've got a panoramic power sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light and adds to the overall spacious feel of this awesome SUV. Full size, and it feels like it. I absolutely love the interior color. This color on the white exterior, super luxurious, very elegant, very stylish. Tech is a major highlight in this Suburban. Front and center is a 17.7-inch color touchscreen with Google built in, plus wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got a multicolor heads-up display, which I don't think you can see here, but it is pretty cool. It's one of those things you have to kind of be in the car to really see it. You've also got a 10-speaker Bose premium sound system throughout the cabin, wireless charging, a rear camera mirror for improved rear visibility. And for the backseat crew, this one includes the rear seat media system, which I'll show you when we get in the back. You can kind of see the edge of it there. That's going to give some really cool features for keeping your passengers entertained on long drives. So let's talk about safety. This Suburban is loaded with advanced safety features, which include enhanced automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic braking, HD surround vision, rear pedestrian alert, front pedestrian and bicyclist braking, and enhanced automatic parking assist. You also get sensors for glass break detection, tilt incline movement, and Chevy's safety alert seat to help keep you one step ahead on the road. Let's take a look in the back seat. Nice assist steps included in this build. Now, as I already mentioned, one of the great features of this particular build, which is definitely an upgrade, is going to be the rear seat media system with dual 12.6-inch HD touchscreen mounted to the headrest. This is perfect for keeping your kids entertained or your backseat passengers. Maybe you like to really take some long road trips with friends, and this is definitely a great vehicle to do that in. Second row passengers will appreciate the generous legroom, heated captain's chairs, and rear climate control. The third row seats fold flat with the push of a button. They also offer plenty of headroom and visibility thanks to the Suburban's longer body. So whether you're driving across town or across the country, the Suburban is built for long haul comfort. Let's move around to the rear. This Suburban also includes the Max trailering package, which means you're ready to work. You've got a 2-speed transfer case, trailer brake control, hitch view, enhanced cooling, and even blind zone steering assist while towing. With this setup, you're looking at up to 81,000 pounds of towing capacity, plenty of power for boats, trailers, and RVs. Around back, you've got all LED tail lamps and the hands-free auto sense lift gate, but I'm going to go ahead and open it the traditional way. You can see that even with all 3 rows up, you've got an incredible amount of storage space. But one of my favorite things about this build is the ease with which you can pop those seats right down. So right here you'll see just how easy that is with the push of a button. Now, even better is that I can also do the front seats. And then look at that massive cargo space you now have. So to wrap it up, this 2025 Chevy Suburban Premier gives you upgraded performance, next level tech, and unmatched cargo capacity, all in a luxury focused American built SUV. Again, I'm Nadia at Bergey Chevrolet in Colmar. Call or text me at the number listed below, or stop by to see this Suburban Premier in person and ask for me. I'd love to help you get behind the wheel of your next vehicle.